Radar, sponsored by Homeland Bank. Now, your local weather with meteorologist Brian Briggs.
Well, good Monday to you. Hopefully you were able to enjoy yet another beautiful day that we had across the ArkLaMiss. Lots of sunshine. Now we're starting to see some clouds from time to time, but really this has been kind of the case the last few days, and really since April has started. But nonetheless, taking a look outside right now, it is beautiful, and it's been a little bit warmer today than yesterday. Temperatures were able to climb to the upper 70s here in Monroe. That's kind of where we're still stuck at. We're still stuck at 78 here, and moisture has been higher too. Not surprising considering our winds are now out of the south. So temperatures are coming down a little bit. We did have some locations earlier that did manage to get into the lower 80s, but we're all at least in the upper 70s now. Greenville seems to be our coolest location, though, sitting at 74 degrees. So nonetheless, it's feeling like spring. It's been beautiful. And to add to that, our live storm tracker Doppler radar has not been showing any showers or storms. So it's the thing. This will stay quiet here as we go through the night tonight, but maybe changing a little bit tomorrow as we start to see the first signs of significant moisture return, at least. Already kind of seeing that off towards our west into East Texas, ahead of our next storm system that's kind of brewing off into the Rockies. And this will set the stage for our next chance of showers and storms, especially as we get into our Wednesday. And will certainly set the stage for maybe the potential for severe weather. But in the meantime, we'll have a clear night tonight. Those clouds will roll back in for our Tuesday. And you're noticing some spotty stray showers during the afternoon and evening hours Tuesday. That's because, well, maybe we'll have enough daytime heating to maybe set a few of those off. But the larger chance for showers and storms comes in on Wednesday, and we'll start to see these storms developing as early as 3 o'clock Wednesday afternoon across northwestern portions of the ArkLaMiss, and they will eventually be pushing through our area through the afternoon and evening. About 5 o'clock on Wednesday, moving through central portions of the ArkLaMiss before eventually clearing our area as we go into around the midnight hour on Thursday. So this will be our next chance for severe storms, as mentioned, and I want to kind of go over some of the ingredients that we have in play. This one is convective available potential energy, or CAPE, and this is our storm fuel. It's instability, so it's that vertical lift that storms need to feed in order to get that air rising. And as you can see, pretty high values of this return for Wednesday afternoon and even continuing into the evening. So storms will have plenty of that instability to feed off of. There will also be enough wind shear and spin in the atmosphere to maybe get a few of these thunderstorms spinning, and that's what could produce the tornado potential as we go into our Thursday. These are possible rotating tracks of storms that you just saw there. So that will be one of the many hazards that we will have with this round of showers and storms. And the Storm Prediction Center has actually expanded our area of severe weather for the slight. We have 2 out of 5, at least. That's the highest risk category in our area. And now it was the northern half of the ArkLaMiss yesterday, now a little bit further south. So again, this accounts for the potential for damaging straight line winds. Hail, I would say probably up to the size of golf balls, and a few tornadoes will be possible on Wednesday. So make sure you're paying attention to the weather during this time. So where we are in this forecast, well, again, folks just need to be paying attention to the weather as we head into Wednesday. And you still have a couple more days to prepare and watch. Remember, it is April. It's that time of year that we do see our peak severe weather season. Wednesday, we'll have the best chance for severe storms, and we'll kind of be off and on storm chances as we go through the week. But at least after Wednesday, we're not expecting to see severe weather chances, and temperatures will generally remain on the consistent side in the lower 80s. So again, as mentioned, just be watching Wednesday. And one of the best ways to do that is to download our KTVE KRD weather app. So here's a really cool way to do that. You can get up on your screen, put your phone up to it, and this QR code will take you right to that. Not only will it give you the latest on forecast information, but when warnings and watches are issued across the area, it'll also be a wonderful tool to get you that. At least one of the many that we recommend. So again, go ahead and do that. And if you've missed it, we'll post it again sometime soon.
Yeah, something very handy to have around this time of the year, and of course we'll be watching on Wednesday.
Yep.
All right, thank you, Brian. Well, coming up, we'll be hearing from Grambling's football team.